Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Baby It's Cold Outside Collab 2021 and that's hosted by the Daughters of Destiny. So the members are for the Love of Decor, that's Gigi FAISON, I hope I said that right. Then Shawni on the Spot, Lady Cinnamon, and Debby Bubbles. I'm going to be listing the members of the Daughters of Destiny down below with their channel links along with the playlist. So make sure and head on over there, subscribe to their channels, full watch the videos, and just have fun. So what I decided to do today is a couple of DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Let's jump right into it, guys. Now the Dollar Tree carries these ornament wooden cutouts and I absolutely love them. So what I'm doing here is I am giving them a fresh coat of paint. You can color these any color you want. I chose to use red and I added a little bit of white to it to get this color that I have here. Then with the paintbrush, what I decided to do is almost like a stipple effect on the ornaments, and both of them are not going to look exactly the same. And then I'm going to top that off with some iridescent glitter. So here I set the ornaments in the back so that those can dry, and then I decided to decorate this jar. Now this jar is going to come out really cute. I decided to go ahead and add a little bit of white paint to that hunter green and to get this color right here. Now I didn't mix it all the way because I like the streak, the effect of the streaks on the jar, and we're going to be applying some glitter and embellishing this. This jar came out so cute. Now this is what the jar looks like when it's dry. You can see how some areas look streaky, and I like that effect. But now what we're going to do is we're going to be adding some green glitter, and I found it in my stash and I thought this would be perfect for this occasion. I also chose to add the green glitter to the top of the lid. So I'm doing the lid and then I'm doing the top and the bottom of the jar. Now I found in my stash this joy sign in the galvanized metal. So we're just going to go ahead and give that a coat of white paint. Now I couldn't resist. I couldn't just leave the sign in white. So I went back while the paint was still wet and I added some silver glitter. And I think it came out so cute. Look at this. That looks so nice. Now at the Dollar Tree, this is only a one-time thing. I saw the ribbon with the pom-poms. I should have grabbed some more because we don't have any anymore. And then I grabbed some stickers with some scriptures on it. So what I decided to do was embellish with the stickers and the ribbon. So remember when you're placing a sticker or any of the letters, the rub-ons or anything like that from the Dollar Tree, you want to make sure that you go in with the Mod Podge so that you can seal those in and they won't come up. So what I decided to do is use the pom-pom ribbon to dangle that joy sign off that jar. I thought that would be really fun. And also I found some loose pom-poms in my stash, and so I'm gonna randomly place those around the jar. And then this project is gonna come out cute and then we'll be done. Okay, now the wooden ornaments have dried, and then I found these galvanized signs in my stash. So I'm going to be placing 2 on one and 2 on the other, and that's what you see me doing right here. Okay, so now we're done placing the signs. Aren't these absolutely cute? Look at that. Those are so adorable. So what I decided to do here is I had this wooden dowel and I decided to flip the ornaments over and use the wooden dowel to attach both the ornaments together. Now I'm using a piece of the silver bling wrap to make a hanger for the back, and this is what that looks like. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Now it's time to add the bow, and then we'll be done with this project. So now what I'm showing you here is a white bucket that I purchased from a store that is by me called Odd Lot, and that bucket was 99 cents, and so I still had some leftover stickers with the scriptures on them, some Mod Podge. So let's make a bow and get this planter together so that we can put some florals in it. Okay, so we know that after we placed the sticker on there, we went ahead and we resealed that with the Mod Podge so we don't have that lifting up. Then the Dollar Tree carried these buffalo check bows, and look how cute that's looking. So now we're gonna get some foam and we're gonna glue that to the bottom of the planter. Then we're gonna continue on with the arrangement. So now I do have to mention these poinsettias right here are in a mauve type color, dusty rose mauve color. Anyway, they're absolutely gorgeous. They came out about a month or so ago, and I haven't seen them since. They are so beautiful. So I thought I'd mention that. I don't know if you guys have them at your Dollar Tree, but these are absolutely gorgeous. So now we are ready for the reveal of these projects. I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoy creating it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays.